Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix if left speaker of your iPhone is not working. So guys, if you're worried about this speaker, here I will show you how can you fix this. So guys, if we talk about the number of speakers on iPhone, that there are how many speakers on your iPhone, that is there are only two speakers in your iPhone. One is here in the screen, that is called ear speaker, and the other is here in the right side corner in your device, which is called stereo speaker, from where you can listen to the music and other audios, and from here you can only listen to the voice calls. So guys, if you're worried about this speaker, I will tell you that this is not a speaker, this is only a microphone socket or microphone grill. So guys, from here you can just input your voice. If you're worried about that speaker, this is not actually a speaker. So guys, hopefully you have understood the situation and structure of your iPhone, and you will be not worried about this speaker anymore. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.